Good morning, everyone. I want each and every child to on their video and all sit in a prayerful posture. We are still having 4 minutes to start the class. So I want each and every participant to join their hands and close their eyes, or you can keep hands on the lap. All the participants on your video, keep hands on the lap. Very good. I'm able to see your videos. Good girls. Two minutes left for the class. All sit in a prayerful posture. Hargun, very good. Sitting in prayerful posture. Just 1 minute left for the class. Very good, everyone. Saitra, on your video, बच्चे. Gurpreet Kaur, on your video. Tanya Chaudhary, your video is not on. Faster. I'm checking everyone's video. Udita, Gurpreet, Suhavi, video is not on. Yes, faster. Parnika, Savita, and one star and some design is made. The video is not on. Sukanya, faster, बच्चे, on your videos. I have told you once, that means everybody has to do it. Pihu, Javish, Navdeep. Faster, Ayman, Jasmine, Navdeep, Bhumika, Kritika, Riddhima, on your video faster. Ayman, Fatima. All keep hands on your lap. And we'll begin the class with the prayer. Join faster, girls. 11 o'clock. Join faster. I'm waiting for the participants. Yes. All have to join faster. Dear God, we thank and praise you for this beautiful day. Help all the students to participate actively in today's class, where the teacher will teach them new topics which are a little bit difficult for them, and they have to understand and participate actively. Dear God, keep each and everyone safe from all harm and danger. All will say the universal prayer. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name, your kingdom comes, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. All sit in a prayerful posture, students. And your videos are off, please, on your videos. Karen, one name is there, Madhav Gupta. Please all on your videos. Ashwina, yes. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom comes, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Good morning, everyone. So today we will start with a new topic, and that is habitat adaptation in plants. Habitat adaptation means how plants are able to live in their environment. They need special surroundings. Okay. You people have to join 11 means before 11, 2-3 minutes beforehand. Ujnik, on your video, beta, your video is not on. Very good, Kashvi, Pavni. The video is on. Nimrat Kaur, your video is not on. Saitra, very good. Yes, Nimrat, Guneet video is on. Bani's video is on. Tanya Chaudhary, your video is not on. Akriti video is on. Radhika Rani video is on. Janvi's video is on. Very good. Sukanya's video is on. Udita, Gungun, Parnika. Yes, very good. And now nobody will raise their hand in the chat. I will give chance to all the girls. Fine. Okay. Urvi is on. Jessica, Navdeep, Navneet. Very good. Okay, now what we will do is, now today we'll start with the habitat adaptation of plants. In plants, they are classified into 3 types. On my screen, I have shared the screen with you. On that screen, you are able to see hydrophytes is written. So what I will do is, nobody will raise their hand, bache. I told everyone. I'll give chance to all the girls. I'll go alphabetically. Akriti Chaudhary, Anya, I gave you a chance previous day. So Evika Besson. Evika, unmute yourself, bache. I've given you permission. Faster, faster. Evika Besson, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Agamjot, you also, please. You have to unmute yourself faster. Okay. Evika, are you able to screen? What is written on my screen
Yes.
there? I've shared the screen, bache.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
A. What is
Yes,
written?
ma'am. Meaning of hydrophytes. Hydrophytes are those plants which
Listen, bache. Hydrophytes. What is written? Hydrophytes. Repeat after me.
hydrophytes.
Yes. Say now. What are
Hydrophytes. Hydrophytes are those plants which live in water and adjust with the surroundings.
So
They
that means these
either
are the
remain
plants
fully
which live. बच्चे, one sentence you read and then you wait. Okay. So these are the plants which live in water. So what is the meaning of hydrophytes? Plants living in water, and there only they adjust according to their surroundings. Okay. Now say the next line. Say, Avika.
they either remain fully
Submerged. What is the word? Submerged.
submerged.
Submerged means
They either remain fully
remaining in
submerged.
the water. Fully remaining in the water. What is the meaning of submerge, Avika?
Fully remaining in the water.
Yes, very good. Say now like, say from there.
In the water, like hydralia,
Hydrilla. Repeat after me, hydrilla. Say beta.
hydrilla,
Vallisneria,
vallisneria,
etc. Etc. means we can add more names.
etc.
Okay, read now.
Okay, ma'am. Water lilies, cigars, crowfoot, and
Edges.
other important water plants.
Okay. Agamjot. Agamjot.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you tell me what is the meaning of hydrophytes?
Ma'am, hydrophytes are those plants which live in water.
Very good. Very good. Okay. So, which example you know about lotus na? You know about
Yes,
lotus
ma'am.
plant? Where do they live?
Yes, ma'am, in water.
Very good. So, meaning of hydrophyte is the plants living in water. Okay. Now, just give me
Yes, ma'am.
just give me a second. And I have given you the answer. They are the water plants. They grow in water. Their roots are poorly developed. Please repeat after me, Agamjot. The roots are
Yes, ma'am.
developed.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
The roots are poorly developed
The roots are poorly developed
with no root hairs.
with no root hairs.
Means their roots are not properly developed, and root hair means like hairy structure is not there on the roots. Okay, bache?
Okay, ma'am.
You mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
You mute yourself. I will give chance to other girls. Akriti, Anya, I gave you last time chance. So just give me Ariba, unmute yourself. Faster, bache. Bhumika and Saitra on your video. Ariba, unmute yourself. I've given you permission.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I will say one sentence and you repeat after me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
The leaves of hydrophytes are.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
The leaves of hydrophytes are.
The leaves of hydrophytes are
Thin and ribbon-like.
thin and ribbon-like.
Thin means, do you know the meaning of thin? Which is not very, the size is not very big. Okay, bache, are you there? Listen to me. Ribbon-like. I'm able to
Yes,
hear.
ma'am.
Say na. Thin and ribbon-like. Ribbon-like means long structure is there. The leaves are thin
Yes,
and
ma'am.
long. Okay. And the stem is weak.
Yes, ma'am.
All have written in the notebook na. Navneet, you are opening the book.
Yes,
bache. I gave you time to write answer in the notebook. I want to see everybody's notebook on the place there. I told you yesterday. Tomorrow I'll check the notebooks of each and every girl. Pavni, Danak, video on karo bachche apne on your video. Have you written the answer in the notebook? Bani, unmute yourself. Bani Kaur, unmute yourself. I've given you permission.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what I will do is, I will share just one minute. Give me 1 second. Okay. Now, are you able to see on the screen? I have changed the screen. New topic I've added there.
Yes, ma'am.
What is that? Mesophytes. What is that?
Mesophytes. Mesophytes.
Okay. Read from here where I'm putting the cursor. Mesophytes are. Read from here.
Mesophytes are common land plants which grow.
Wait here, bacha. Say one sentence, a comma till comma, and then wait. So that means these are the plants which grow on land. In smaller classes, you have studied about terrestrial organisms, aquatic animals, plants. You all have done that. But as you have come to 6th standard, you have to study about the how the plants live. Now 3 types you have to study. First you have done hydrophytes. Second I have mesophytes. So these are mesophytes are the common land plants. That means they are the plants which grow on land. Okay, bache, read from here
which grow in situations that are neither too wet nor too dry.
That means whether water is too much or very less, the plants are able to grow there. Okay. Now say these plants, say from here.
These plants can neither grow in water or waterlogged soils, nor can they survive in dry places.
Okay. That means these plants can either grow in water. Either grow means wherever water is there, or waterlogged soil means wherever the soil is fully means more water is there. Nor they can survive in dry places. In other words, mesophytes are the plants of those regions where climates and soils are favorable. Favorable means they know how to adjust in that climate. You know, when we are having the gardens or lawns we have made, and we sow the plants, small plants in the garden, you know whether the rain is there, whether the hot weather is there, the plants know how to grow.
Yes.
Okay. Japneet, you have muted yourself, bache. Japneet, are you there? Japneet. Hargun, unmute yourself. Hargun. Yes, Japneet, are you there, bache?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So say from here, vegetations of forest.
Vegetations of forests, meadows, and cultivated fields belong to this category.
Vegetation
The
of forest.
simplest-
Bache, say one sentence and pause. I will explain, you know what it means. Vegetation of forest
Okay,
means
ma'am.
there is a big, like, you know, meaning of forest, where many trees are there. Meadows means the beautiful plants and flowers everywhere. And cultivated fields means where wheat, maize, rice, the farmers are there to grow the crop. So these mesophytes belong to this category because forest means on the land. When the big trees are there, flowers are there, that's also, they're talking about land. And when the crops are grown, they're also grown on the land. So this category, they belong to this category. Okay, beta. Now start from here, the simplest.
The simplest mesophytic community comprises of grasses and herbs.
Grasses,
Crystal
everybody knows, na? Grasses means anywhere the grass grows. Herbs means very, very small plants. Like you know about basil, pudina, tulsi, we call them, na? Coriander, this one, these are small plants. Okay, beta, now richer communities.
Richer communities have herbs and bushes, and
Bas,
the
stop till here,
richest
just stop till here. Now, in your copy, notebook, you have written, mesophytes are the land plants. They grow in moist habitat. Moist habitat means where the little bit soil is wet, which contain well-aerated soil. Well-aerated means you have to plow the soil. आपको soil को dug करना पड़ेगा. Then only that soil will become good for that plant. These plants have well-developed root system. Root system means proper roots are there in this. Then only the plants will grow on the land. The stems has mechanical tissue. Mechanical tissue means like when you are coming now, I have come to this class, you know about the roots, leaves and stems.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody knows about root, stems and leaves, na? So in all these parts, you are having the tubular structures. Like whenever you put the water in the roots, where the roots are inside, you put in the soil, the water. So that tubular structure take water to the stem and then to the leaves. So that means the mechanical process goes on from roots to the stems and stems to the leaves. Okay, bache. Hargun, unmute yourself. I gave you permission. You are not unmuting. Others, you mute yourself, bache. Hargun, unmute yourself faster. Janvi Sharma. 1 minute. Ayman Fatima, unmute yourself. Bache, don't raise your hand na beta. I have to give chance to the most of the girls who did not get chance. Okay, Kashvi, you also unmute yourself.
Ma'am.
Okay, Ayman Fatima, I am changing the slide from the screen. So I'm putting the next one. Okay. So just give me a second so that I can shift the participants to the other side. Okay. Now, are you able to see the topic? Xerophytes.
Yes, ma'am. Xerophytes.
Yes, xeroniates, xerophytes. Pronunciation is starting. Pronunciation is not there, okay? So, Ayman Fatima, say the first line. What is written here? Ayman has muted herself, I think so.
Plants.
Who is saying now? Kashvi is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Kashvi, you say, bache. Ayman Fatima has muted herself. Say plants.
Okay, ma'am.
Say from here.
Plants is general, rely on soil for water and
Listen.
nutrients.
Plants in general, not is general. Plants in general rely. Say again.
Plants in general rely on soil for water and nutrients through their roots.
Now wait here. That means xerophyte means plants in general. Plants means those who are using less water, they mostly depend on soil for water and nutrients. Nutrients, you know, whatever the plants need to grow, they get from their roots. Okay, now let's explain it. Say next
Both
time.
of these ingredients are essential for their survival.
Yes, wait now. Both of these ingredient means what they need to eat. That is the water and the nutrients. These plants need less water. So what they will do, they will take everything from the soil and the nutrients from the roots. Okay, just give
But
me
there
1 minute. Just say now.
But there are places on Earth with arid and extreme climate.
Arid.
Okay, ma'am. And extreme climates with limited water sources.
Yes, there are some places on the earth with arid. It means air is less and the climate is so extreme that there is water. The water is very less in that place. You know about Rajasthan.
Okay.
You see only sand is that in that area. When the wind blows, how the sand also blows with that. Less water availability is there. Desert areas, we call the desert areas. Okay? Okay, beta, you
Yes,
mute
ma'am.
now. Harpreet, unmute yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, beta. Harpreet, unmute yourself. My class students are so lazy. I don't know why they are not. But you have to be on time in the class. You people are coming late, na? That is the problem. Just give me a second. All mute yourself, bache. Your voices are coming to me. Janvi Sharma. Janvi Sharma. Okay. You read from here, bacha. Certain unique features.
Certain unique feature of xerophytes allow them to prevent water loss and in other cases to store water for their survival.
Survival means to survive, to breathe. Now what is written now? Just 1 minute. It means there are some plants who allow them to prevent water loss. Water loss, there is no water loss from the body. It means that you have seen cactus. And when you have seen cactus, you have seen the swollen parts of the cactus. That means Swollen part means that particular parts are having water inside them. So the water is stored in the body. So when they are grown in the deserted area, they don't need water to grow. They can grow without water also. So the xerophytes use a variety of features to counter water deficiency. Now, Kavya, just 1 minute. I don't know why you people are. As soon as I call your name, now you people disappear. Kavya, unmute yourself. Kavya, unmute yourself. Kavya Gupta, faster, bache. Yes.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read from the screen the first word. I have put the dot with that words now. Say that word.
Reduce leaf size.
Ma'am, you have unmuted me.
Reduced leaf size.
Leaf size.
Size is reduced. Okay, say the next.
Thick fleshy leaves.
Okay, just 1 minute. Say beta now.
Waxy or hair leaf coatings.
Yeah, waxy means on their coating on their body only. Just like wax or hairy growth is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache, just 1 minute now. I gave chance to Ganika, unmute yourself, beta. Ganika, unmute yourself. I've given you permission. 1 minute. Unmute, bache. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Say now the fourth one. Leaves, that part you say.
Yes, ma'am. Leaves folding, reposting,
Repositioning.
repositioning.
Okay.
Ma'am, you have unmuted me.
Okay,
My
who is that one?
Dense packing of leaves.
Okay, dense.
Dense packing of leaves.
Okay, you have
Yes,
sometimes
ma'am.
seen cactus, and cactus you have seen they are having thorns. उनके ऊपर कांटे होते हैं बच्चे, उनके ऊपर leaves नहीं होती. So dense packing means sometimes leaves are very less. Okay, बच्चा. 1 minute. Chahat Bhatti, unmute yourself, beta. Chahat Bhatti. Disturbance should not be there, बच्चे. Now I have unmuted one more girl was saying, na ma'am, you have unmuted me. Who was that one?
Ma'am Kashvi Singh.
Kashvi Singh. Okay, Kashvi. Say now the next point. Low. What is written there?
Low stomata density.
That means
Density.
the plants are, yes, the plants are having the pores. Now you know, leaves are having the pores, small pores, so that they can transport water. Okay, when you will go to higher classes, you will come to know. In this chapter also, next chapter you will come to know. Stomata are the small pores present on the lower surface of leaves. So,
Okay.
these pores are not there in the xerophytes.
आप
Why?
YouTube देख रहे हो?
They don't want
बड़ा
water.
घर ना?
Bache, your voice is coming. You're speaking inside, na? Your voice is coming to me.
Ma'am,
Okay.
she is Ganika.
Okay. Ganika. Okay. Can I say the next point now, bache? What is the last point written there?
Extensive roots.
Extensive roots. Means roots are there, but the pores are not there to take water from the soil. They have water in their part only. Okay,
Okay,
bacha.
ma'am.
Just give me a second. I can go to the next slide. So,
Okay,
you
ma'am.
understood about xerophytes. So, what are xerophytes? Xerophytes are the desert plants. They grow in dry
Yes, ma'am.
habitat and they have very extensive root system which go deep underground. Okay, 1
Yes,
minute.
ma'am.
To all because somebody's creating disturbance. Bache. Okay, I have unmuted. I muted all. Okay, now I'll see which girl did not get the chance previously also. So I'll give chance to that girl. 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Okay. Navdeep, unmute yourself, bache. Navdeep, unmute yourself faster.
I'm unmuted.
Okay, bache. 1 minute. Purvi Jasrotia, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. One name is given, Realme 6. Who is that child, bache? 1 minute. I'll unmute you also, no? Then you will come to know. Realme 6, please unmute yourself. Just 1 minute. Here. Unmute yourself. What is the name of that child, beta? Unmute faster. You people are not listening, na? Wasting the time. I am giving you chance. Rujula Gupta, unmute yourself. Rujula, I give you permission. Unmute yourself, beta. Rujula. Unmute, bache. You just have to click mute. Unmute button is given on your. Okay. Suhavi, Kaur, unmute yourself. Suhavi. Okay. Whom I have unmuted now? The first participant.
Ma'am, it's me.
Say your name, beta. I don't know who is me there. Say your name, beta.
I'm Navdeep.
Okay. Navdeep, are you able to see the screen? What I have the topic? Something
Yes,
is on the screen there.
Ma'am, amphibians.
Amphibians. Okay. Now, what are amphibians? Amphibian. Do you know? Have you heard about this word beforehand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just 1 minute. Give me 1 minute, bacha. Just give me
Okay,
1 second. Okay. Just 1 minute. Some problem is coming there. Some students are not able to enter. Just give me a second, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Just 1 minute. I've given permission now. Those who have come late. Achha, why you people are coming so late in the class, na beta? So late you people are coming. Okay, you say, bache. Say.
Amphibians are cold-blooded animals that usually split their time between using their lungs on land and breathing with gills underwater.
Okay. Now it means amphibians are the animals, those who live on land as well as water. So what are amphibians? Amphibians are the animals that live on land and water. Okay. Jagritik Pandita, bache, mute unmute is not there. Someone father's name is there, Rajesh Bagal. That child, please unmute yourself. Okay, just give me 1 second. Tejasvi, you also unmute yourself. Tejasvi. Okay, Danak. Unmute, bache. I've given you permission to unmute. Danak. Danak, unmute yourself, beta. Faster, I've given you permission. Unmuted, Danak. Okay. Okay, I'll explain this topic and then you tell me what problem you are facing. You were saying na, some difficulty, some question you don't know and not written. Okay, you tell me afterwards. So amphibians are the animals, those who live both on land and water. Their skin is moist. Moist means little wet, and slimy. Slimy means thin, and help in breathing when in water. So when they are in water, they are able to breathe. When they are on the land, with the help of lungs, they are able to breathe. So amphibians are cold-blooded animals that usually split their time between using their lungs on land. So what they use on land? The participant who is there, please.
Ma'am, their lungs.
Lungs. So when they are on the land, they use lungs. So when they are in the water, what they do?
Gills.
They,
They use
Breathe
gills.
from gills.
yes, they breathe with the help of
Ma'am,
gills.
gills.
Okay, bacha.
Gills.
Okay. And which examples are given? Frog.
Frogs, toads, newts, salamanders, and silicians.
Yes. Okay. Just 1 minute. Now, Danak, what is your problem, bache? Tell me your problem.
Excuse me, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, bache. Say.
Ma'am, there is a question. Ma'am, I'm downloading that photo.
Bache, we have done that part which you were said, which you are saying, na chemical change, that answer. That we have done, I think, so 15 days before.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, I have, ma'am, my phone is on repairing that.
Okay, bache. Now, which answers you want? You let me know. Which answer you want?
Okay, ma'am.
Bolo na beta,
Ma'am,
which answer you
please
want?
wait for 1 minute.
Huh? I will also copy somewhere na, so that I will able to send, because when I am sending, bache, there is no so much of that much of place is not there in my phone. Na?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I will see, and ma'am, I will send you in WhatsApp. Ma'am, that class is going on. I will go towards the class.
Okay, bache. You send me and then I will send you the answers, because that we have done beforehand and 15 days before. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am,
just 1 minute. Okay, speak loudly, bache. Come in front of mic na, from where you're speaking, Dhanak. Saitra, unmute yourself for a minute.
Okay.
Saitra.
Yes, ma'am.
Bache, you
Yes,
have done
ma'am.
this chapter which we are doing. Now, which you know
Yes,
which
ma'am.
chapter we are doing? Lesson number 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Lesson number 7, some students are asking me the questions. So I have deleted from my this phone. Okay, beta?
Yes,
So what you will do is you will send me personally that answer. Chapter 7 long answer. I have sent you na long and short. You send me that, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache. I will
Okay,
stop
ma'am.
sharing the screen now. Just a minute. Okay. I will unmute all for a second. Just give me 1 second. Krishita, Sukanya, I will give you chance. Next time, Nishche, Bhumika, these girls did not get chance. Na? I'll give you next time. Anybody wants to ask anything? Anybody wants to ask anything, bache?
No, ma'am.
Whatever we have done is understood to
No,
all.
ma'am.
Yeah, no, ma'am.
Okay, bache.
No,
Bye to
ma'am.
all. Bye, everyone.
Ma'am, can you explain
Bye,
Bye,
Amphibians.
ma'am.
Can you
Okay,
explain amphibians?
okay, okay. Wait a
Ma'am,
minute.
can you explain amphibians?
Understood, beta? I will explain amphibian once again. Amphibians are the animals, those who live on land as well as in water. They are the animals that they live, both they can live on water and land. When they are on the land, they use lungs, and when they are in the water, they use gills. And their skin is moist. Moist means wet, and slimy. Slimy means thin. And the particular organs, gills, helps them to breathe in water. They are cold-blooded animals. Cold-blooded means can live on land, can live in water. Okay, Udita, you want to ask something? Unmute yourself, Udita. Faster, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you want to ask, bache?
Ma'am, what is meaning of protoplasm?
Bache, protoplasm is when we are talking about the cell. And when the outer part of the cell, cytoplasm and the nucleus is, these three parts are there. That is known as protoplasm. Okay. You have done the cell topic, na? Cell is the
Yes, ma'am.
particular part where the living organisms are alive. That means they are made up of cell. So when they are made up of cell and outer part outer parts part is, that means cell membrane, nucleus and the cytoplasm, all these three parts are there. That is known as protoplasm. Okay, bache?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Bye to all. Bye, everyone.